Hi CamFam, this is Miss Mac and I am coming to you from my home trying to still educate you guys and get you knowledge on how to create things with technology and how to do good research. So if you're watching this video, you're thinking about participating in Miss Mac's class on the electives classroom page and doing the research project that I have assigned. I hope that you hope to do it or that you want to do it, but this first little video is just going to give you an overview of what it is and a little bit of a tutorial so that hopefully you'll get excited about doing it. So there's two documents that come with it. One is the directions page. So if you're on here and you've clicked it, you should be on the directions page. Now the directions page has 9 different steps for you, really basic, and several videos for you to watch. The first thing that it has on there for you to do is to look at the checklist. So the checklist is just a little simple document that shows you everything that's involved in the project itself. So if we open the checklist now, you'll see that the project is going to be a PowerPoint project. So if you've never taken Miss Mac's class before, or even if you have and you want to learn more, this is going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint. But before you do that, you're going to have to do a little research, right? What do you want your PowerPoint to be on? What are you going to teach us? So this checklist just lets you know everything that's a part of it. You all have 2 weeks to do it. The first part will be research, and the second part will be your actual putting together of the PowerPoint. And these are all the technology requirements. So you're going to have a couple articles you'll find. You're going to upload pictures. You're going to find a good website and upload that. You're going to find a good video and upload that. You're going to change the color and do all sorts of really fun stuff on the actual slide that you are going to create. So if that sounds like it's something interesting to you, definitely check it out. Also, I have an example for you of an exemplar, one that was put together with a combination of a student who's been working on theirs this year before we got quarantined, and a combination of our new librarian who will be here next year. She helped us out. So first of all, let me give a shout out to Carla Acuna, because we are using her slides that she created in my class back in February as examples for everyone. So she said she did such great work that I used hers as our example slide. But anyway, what yours is going to look like is very similar to hers. So as you can see, Carla is doing a project on gun control, and here is her title slide. She has a beautiful background that represents her topic of gun control. It has her title and who it's by. You go to her next slide and she has pictures that she found on Google Images, along with information that she found on a really good website, and her citations. As you see these here, those are links that Miss Mac can click on, and I can see exactly where she got her information from. Not only that, but she has an excellent title up here that lets me know what this slide is about. She did one more like that, just like you're going to do, 2 really good information slides, and she has the same thing on both of them: title, info, citations, and a cool picture that she found from Google Images. Next, her slide is her video. So she went on YouTube and did a search and found a video that was relevant for her topic, and then she embedded it onto the slide. And that's really cool, and it's a skill that a lot of teachers don't even have. So I'm really excited to teach you how to take videos from YouTube and put them on your own slide. And then finally, she has her reference slide, which tells me where she found all of her information so that I can click on it and just make sure she's doing great work. This is a perfect example of what you can make if you take this class. So again, both of these things are going to be linked on this directions page, and if you watch this video and you look at those 2 things and you're thinking, this is what I want to do, there'll be more videos for you to watch and directions on how you can make your project and make it look like mine. Or excuse me, like Carla's actually. And so finally, you'll have those things to do, and then there'll also be a notes page. So your notes page is where you're going to take the information that you found and you're going to copy it and paste it onto this page. So if you don't know how to copy and paste, that's another thing we're going to learn to do together. And once you're finished with both of your information sources, so you'll use an encyclopedia article and you'll use a website, both of which I'll give you directions on how to find. When you're finished, you're going to click turn in, and that's going to let Miss Mac know that you're done. That's going to be step 1 of creating this notes page and filling it out, turning it in by this Friday. And then step 2 Next week, we're going to take all your notes and we're going to put them on your slide, and we're going to find pictures on Google and we're going to upload them. We're going to find YouTube videos and we're going to upload them, and you're going to have so much fun creating your really cool and very knowledgeable, very high-tech Google slide that you're going to learn how to do in this research project class. So again, if you're interested, please sign up for the class. Go ahead and start doing the work. If you have questions, my information is on there. You can go ahead and either text me or call me or send me an email. Just make sure it's at an appropriate time, not in the middle of the night. Miss Mac's not going to answer if you call me late, but I'm really excited to do this with you guys, and I cannot wait to participate in this learning with you. Peace. See you guys later.